Hi, Mountain Home Marketing and Computer Repair. This is Mary. How can I help you?
This is an important message regarding your vehicle's extended warranty. Your coverage may have...
mm-hmm. That's a recording. This line's for real customers, so I'm gonna let you go. Bye now. Mountain Home Marketing and Computer Repair. This is Mary. How can I help you?
Hi, yes. I'm calling because your business is not ranked on the first page of Google. For a limited time, we can guarantee...
Hon, you just called a marketing company to sell it marketing. We do this for a living, so we're all set. Go ahead and take our number off your list, would you?
It'll only take 2 minutes of his...
Mm-hmm. I've noted it. Have a good one. Goodbye. Mountain Home Marketing and Computer Repair. This is Mary.
I need to speak with the business owner regarding an outstanding account matter. Can you confirm his personal cell number and mailing address?
I'm sorry, but this is a work number. We don't accept collection calls or personal financial calls at the workplace. And I can't share personal information over the phone. If you have a legitimate matter, I'll take your company name, callback number, and reference number and pass it along.
It's urgent. Just put him on.
Urgency doesn't change our policy, hun. Company name and reference number, please. Or I'm going to need you to remove this number from your list. Hi, Mountain Home Marketing and Computer Repair. This is Mary. How can I help you?
Oh, thank goodness. I think my computer's been hacked. There's a pop-up saying my bank has to call a number, and my mouse is moving by itself.
Oh, no. Okay, deep breath. We handle this all the time. First, do not call the number on that pop-up, and don't let anybody remote in. This is exactly what John does. Let me get him on the line for you right now. Can I get your name real quick? Sandra, I've got John on the line. Connecting you now. You're in good hands, hun. Mountain Home Marketing and Computer Repair. This is Mary. How can I help you?
Hey, my desktop won't boot up past the logo screen. Could somebody pick it up and take a look?
Oh yeah, that's definitely something we can help with. We'll come to you, or you can drop it off at Mountain Home Motors Auto and RV Repair, 704 North Highway 5. You know where Skipper's is? About 200 feet north of that. Would a pickup Tuesday at 10 work?
Tuesday at 10 is perfect.
Perfect. You're booked, Dale. John will give you a call when he's on the way. Anything else I can help you with today?